So it's been a week, and as y'all can see, this hair is tangling like nobody's business. So I just wanted to come to you guys today with a video to just show you a little revival method and see if this works well with this hair and see if we can at least make it last another week. So just stay tuned and we'll see if we can cut down this tangling, honey.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fair, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills up roads.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another update video. So the unit that I'm going to be updating you guys on is this Bobbi Boss MLF 190 Carmela unit in the color number 2. So I've been wearing this unit for a week. I did experience definitely a good amount of tingling and shedding, so I just wanted to come to you guys with an update video to show you not only how it's been holding up for me, but also to show you guys how you can actually maintain your units to make them last longer, specifically with this unit. I've been realizing that these silicone based sprays work really well for synthetic units, so I went in with 2 of them. Both of them are called the Simply Styling Light Silk, and then I went in with the wide tooth comb and just combed it throughout the hair, and that definitely helped a ridiculous amount. It helps keep those synthetic fibers intact, so that definitely worked out really well. And then the third and last product that I used was just some of my wet and wavy curling foaming mousse, and I feel like all together these 3 products definitely did work very well together. It definitely helped bring back the luster of the hair for sure. It helped minimize the tangling and shedding that I'm getting, but don't get it twisted, honey. Like, you definitely will still get some tangling and shedding even after using these products, but it's just pretty much to help minimize the amount that you're getting. So if you feel like it's getting too overwhelming for you, I definitely would recommend spritzing some of these products inside your hair if you wanted to get it to last longer, or if you just wanted to cut down on the tangling and shedding that you're getting. So if you did not see my initial review on this unit, I'll definitely link that. I'm just going to get into the specs really quick for you. So this unit is a 13x4 Swiss lace unit. It does not come pre-plucked. It does come with little bitty baby hairs that I decided not to use this time. It also comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. The cap size on this one is definitely feeling small and medium head friendly. Not so sure about big head friendly, but definitely small and medium head friendly, so definitely keep that in mind. So as far as the unit is concerned, what I experienced after a week was, more than anything, a lot of tangling. Even now, I feel like you can still notice that I'm getting some snags, but it's nowhere near as awful as it's been for the past couple of days. So if you're somebody like me, you're trying to not give up on your units so quickly, because I cycle through units like water, I definitely would recommend picking up the pure silicone spray just so you can get your units to last longer with minimal work. As you guys can see in the video, I literally did this whole revival in under 10 minutes, which I feel like is amazing. I wouldn't necessarily consider this an everyday unit, but you could get away with wearing it every day if you were to use some silicone spray. For these synthetic units, they kind of don't really have long lifespans. So honestly, in my opinion, if you can get your unit to last 2 weeks without crazy tangling and crazy shedding, it's a done deal. Like, it's good, because normally my units without any maintenance tend to last like a week if they're good, and if they're crappy, probably around like 3 days. So definitely keep that in mind, y'all. But that's honestly pretty much what I have to say. I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you're interested in this unit, I just wanted to show you how it was holding up for me. So if you like this video, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fair, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills up roads.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to